Little Saddle Girl. Many years ago, a mother had two daughters. One day, while they were all sewing together, the older daughter said, "Let's play a game." The mother and the younger daughter were scared. The older daughter was evil, and she always wanted to play terrible games. The older daughter said, "We are all sewing, so this is the game. We shall kill the first person who drops a needle." The younger daughter said, "I will not play." The younger daughter went out to the barn, and she sat on an old saddle. She played with the animals. The mother and older daughter kept sewing.